How to track my parcel on DHL. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can track your parcel on DHL. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your DHL account. Once you are logged in and you are brought to this page, you can see different options, right? Different tabs, which includes home, ship, track, manage shipment, and by the time you scroll down, you can see all that things on the home page. So once you can see this, the next step is to navigate through to the track section and then click on it. And then you can see two options: track shipments, track by reference. So just click on track shipments since you are trying to track the parcel that you sent. So you can now see the track your shipments page, and you can see the writing, enter tracking numbers to quickly check the status of your shipment. So the next step would be to enter in your tracking number here and then click on track. And then once you click on track, your package will be tracked and the status of your package would be displayed to you. You would receive real-time updates on your shipment status and the estimated delivery time. So to get your tracking number, you can just go to your Gmail. All right. And after making payments for your shipment, you would receive an email, and on this page you would see an email containing your tracking number. So just copy it, then go back here, paste it in here, click on track, and the real-time updates on your delivery or on your parcel would be displayed to you. So you can see how quick and easy it is. So go ahead and track that parcel today. See you in the next video.